We have 4 trucks in this 10-lap qualifier in the truck division.
Something good might happen.
And away we go!
It's fun watching 0-1 though. It's like one
John
off
Holloway
the
out
start
front.
fanning. Wow.
John Holloway in 24, Matt Noblin 50, AJ Ford in 01. This time by the flag stand, we will have completed 3 laps, all led by John Holloway in truck number 42. Roddy Linden is second, Matt Noblin is third, AJ Ford fourth. The next time by the flag stand, the cross flags indicating the halfway mark of the race with 5 laps completed. Johnny Holloway out front, Roddy Linden is 2, Noblin is 3, and AJ Ford is 4th.
What?
I don't know why they bother.
Good finish, man.
We've completed 7 laps. Johnny Holloway out front, Roddy Linden is 2, Matt Noblin 3, AJ Ford is a distant 4th. By the flag stand, the white flag will be displayed indicating the
Good here, watch this end.
special 10-lap truck qualifier. The white flag is down.
Gonna run them over.
And this time we're led by Johnny Holloway, running the next time by the checker flag will be displayed indicating the winner. And here he comes, John Holloway. John Holloway, your race winner. Roddy Linden 2, Matt Noblin 3, and AJ Ford, DNF. We need a record. Kevin's record.